Dog Theater hosts the Southwest premiere of Rapture, Blister, Burn, a new comedy that takes a deeper look at family, career, romance, and the decisions that define our lives. The play was a finalist for the 2013 Pulitzer Prize for Drama and opens tomorrow night at the Oxdog. And we are joined this morning by Sheridan Johnson and Jessica Osborne, stars of the show. Ladies, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having us.
I know it's kind of early, especially right before opening night, so I appreciate you coming in bright and early to talk about the show.
Yeah.
First thing, very interesting title. What does the title mean?
Rapture, Blister, Burn is actually a reference to a Hole song. I don't know if you remember Courtney Love and her wonderful band Hole, but they are an example of something called raunch feminism, which is a reference to a wave of feminism that sort of embraces slightly more debonair aspects of your behavior as a woman. And that is a crucial theme in the play.
Gotcha, okay.
Yeah.
Now this, as we mentioned, this was a finalist for the Pulitzer Prize. Tell us a little bit about the playwright. And I also understand that the director of this show, you guys brought in a director from out of state to work with you. So tell us about the playwright and the director.
Gina Gianfrido is a two-time Pulitzer Prize finalist. She was a finalist for this play, Rapture, Blister, Burn, as well as Becky Shaw, which received a wonderful amount of attention. And Christine Holtfett is our director. We are so grateful to have her back. She is the head of acting for the graduate program at Purdue University.
Wow.
And she is joining us for a second time. She also directed Venus and Fur, which we are very honored to have been awarded Best Production of 2013 for.
That's great. That's great. Well, so tell us a little bit about the relationship between the characters that you play in the show.
Well, I play Gwen, who is married to Don, which was Catherine, which is what Sheridan plays, ex-boyfriend from college. It's a very incestuous kind of relationship. Catherine and Gwen were roommates, and so they were also very close during graduate school, and they all used to hang out.
Then I went to London, and she stole my boyfriend.
Basically.
Oh, there you go.
Well, because she left him, she abandoned him.
Hilarity ensues.
Indeed. So Gwen and Don get married and they have children, and Catherine goes on to become a superstar academic. She's incredibly successful in her field, which involves all aspects of feminism and raunch feminism and all the other feminisms that I can't remember the names of right now.
Okay.
But 13 years later, she comes back into town to look after her mother, who has just had a heart attack. And they get together and to reconnect, and it's wonderful and yet awkward, and and then problems start occurring.
Problems start, and hilarity ensues,
Indeed.
as we said. Well, so this play definitely sounds like a date night show, not one that you want to bring the kiddos to.
No.
Get a babysitter for the kiddos.
Yes.
Take the significant other out for a great night of theater. And this is a comedy. This is, we'll remind ourselves that this is a comedy.
It's definitely comedy.
Yeah, it's an incredibly intelligent, powerful comedy.
It's probably the smartest thing I've read in a long time that also made me laugh.
That's great.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is quite an amazing thing to have achieved. Gina Gianfrido is just a wonderful playwright, and the emotions that she evokes from her writing is wow.
That's great.
Yeah.
Well, and of course, you know, the Oxdog, you guys just coming off a hugely successful run of Little Shop of Horrors, which you might recognize Jessica from. She's a marathon actor here. You guys have a lot coming up at the Oxdog. In addition to this show, we've got some classes coming up, more performances. Tell us quickly what's on the
Actually, on Saturday at 2 p.m., we have Love, Lost, and What I Wore, which will feature both Jessica and myself, as well as an all-star cast, that we're incredibly lucky to have, some brand new faces, some returning.
Yeah. And that's part of our Encore series. We do that once a month, every fourth Saturday of the month.
Because you didn't have enough on your plate as it is, Jessica.
I know, no,
Gotcha.
not at all.
Okay. Gotcha.
And then the next in-house production that we're doing is incredibly exciting. It's another Southwest premiere of a play called Gibraltar, which is, to my knowledge, only been performed one other time when it premiered in New York. We're trying to bring the playwright Patrick Fitzgerald in.
Who's coming?
There you go. You saw it here live on Chicasa Style.
Yeah, it's an incredibly exciting event. It's a two-person stage adaptation of James Joyce's Ulysses that we're presenting as part of the Southwest Irish Playwrights Festival. Yeah, it's it's an incredibly visceral, sexy, crazy kind of experience for, I think, both the actors as well as the audience. It'll be Brendan Foster and myself from making our return from Venus and Fur, and yeah.
Lots of stuff. Lots of stuff. Yeah. Well, just very, very quickly, Rapture Blister Burn opens tomorrow night at the Ox Dog. You can get tickets. Head over to our website at casa.com. Click on the Style blog. We will have links to the Ox Dog's website. Ladies, break legs tomorrow night.
Thank
have
you
a great
so much.
run.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Thanks for